Okay, so what's your name?
Umar,
Umar, how old are you, Umar?
20.
You're 20. All right, Umar, I want to ask you one question. Do you believe that Nico should be a statement cultural thing for Somali people?
Yeah.
Right?
It should be.
It should be.
It should be. It has to be.
It has to be.
Yeah.
I feel like that's one of the things that kind of gets hidden away and that the people don't understand about our culture.
Yeah, it's important for the culture, so it should be the main thing, innit?
Main thing.
Number one.
He's just come here, brother. All right, come here. All right. So what characteristics have you seen from the Somali community?
It's bare loud. Bare loud. What are
Every day. All right. So what do you think about the Halimas? Should we say mashallah?
MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
What's your name?
Sadia Ali.
Questions, sir. You are? Okay. So what kind of event are you going to?
It's a mental health awareness event, and I'm really late. It starts at 2.
No, I understand. So, do you feel like the Somali community doesn't really represent the mental health issues, and do you feel like the stigma attached to it is something that we brush under the rug?
Of course, I think with mental health, a lot of Somali people think either it's you need Quran and things like that, and of course Quran is a cure for everything, but I think we sometimes need to talk to people and communicate and find out what's really going on, especially with things like depression and anxiety. A lot of young people go through it, and if they mention it to their parents, they're like, no, you're not, that's terrible, no, don't say that. But I think it's important to recognize the symptoms and help people.
What kind of advice would you give to anybody who's going through depression right now or anxiety?
I have anxiety. I would say that recognize what causes it, communicate with someone, because one of the worst things you can do is kind of bottle it in, speak to someone and kind of teach your parents about it as well, because then if you teach them and they understand, then it'll be helpful for you.
Well, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Your name is? Abdi Jalil.
What's the best thing that you've seen from Somali people around the world?
That they're all going to uni and that and just getting education, which is really important. Okay. I'm so happy for my people. Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, welcome.
Take care. Thank you. Yeah, we have. I remember you. Yes, and you're the gym. Oh, Abdi, my brother. We'll catch up. هوي مقعة.
أنا هذا عمر كدي على ده.
ما شاء الله هوي معنا سؤال شكو دينا وحواية لأن يرد الصومالية أدونك جوجان محاك فر الهد.
waxaan fari lahaa inay dhaqankooda u soo noqdaan hidaha dhaqanka loo soo noqdo surwaalkan siiban la daayo timaha qadaadka xiir la iska daayo oo lagu daysanayo macnaha dhaqamada kale aad iyo aad waxaan ugu wacdinayaa gabdha iyo wiilal haday yihiin inay dhaqankooda u soo noqdaan gabdhuhu is asturaan qamaarkooda qaataan abaayadahooda qaataan aysan surwaalka kaligiis iyo fanaanad qaadanin wiilasha surwaalka siiban inay iska daayaan timaha saddexda farood xiiran iska daayaan dhoorka dheer ay reebanayaan waa gaalo iska daayaan waxa maqla jira gaalo dhoori alla ka dhig gaalo dhoori noqdeen hay iska daayeen oran lahaa aroosku gabaabs waay runtii marka loo kaco aroosku gabaabs waay horta koodhe waxaan dhihi lahaa gabadhii ma taqaan hadda waxa la keenay mar waxa la keenay dhaxdaana kataaba la igu mahriyo mar waxa la keenay kun dahab la igu mahriyo mar waxa la keenay 500 oo kiilo garab la igu mahriyo waxaas inay qalad yihiin aniga u arkaa gabdhaha waxa lagu mahri jiray waagi hore gabadha haday inan tahay 12 ceesaamood haday garoob tahana 10 ceesaamood laba ka dhacday maaragta hadda waxa la keenay dahab dollar anagu dahab iyo dollar ma ana aqoonin waxaan dhihi lahaa hoos soo daga korad taarintiin hoos soo daga dhihi
cirka ka soo daga
hoos soo dhaadhacaan dhihi lahaa wiilasha yaan guurka yaan ilmaha hadda waa naga leedahay ilmihii wax colaadu layda iyo wax ciidanka idahan kale raacay noqdeen inta daba yaaqada hartay hal ayaan dhihi lahaa ani hooyooyinka waxaan dhihi lahaa ayaga naftirkooda dhaqan wareera ku dhacay wadanka markay yimideen si kale noqdeen sidii lagu ogaan aan ahayn hooyooyinka aad iyo aad waxaan dhihi lahaa hoos soo noqda waxa jahay abraha waxay sameyn jireen banaanbax alla bariyay sameyn jireen xan iyo waxaas ma jirin olaad haday dhacdo banaanka inta la soo baxaya huuladka dhihi jiray hadda wixii oo dhan wax walba al bedelmay waayelkiina waa ku darmay ilmihi dhalinyarada ku darmay marka waxaan dhihi lahaa hoos loo soo dhaadho ilaahay ha laga baqo ninba maalin oo dhimana waa ogi allaha awood leh ha laga baqan dhihi lahaa aniga xanta ha la iska daayo xabaalaha waa badina waa ka badan bahalawaan cuneen badwaan cun wax walba aan ugu dhaceen insha Allah ilaahay idankiisa Allah naga najeeyo iimaanka Allah noo sugo irsaaqadeena waasa Allah ka dhigo.
All right, so hi, what's your name?
Nasir.
Okay, are you mixed race?
Yeah, I'm mixed race, yeah.
So what's your ethnicity?
I'm half Somali, and half Finnish, but far from finished, obviously. Yeah.
So from Finland, yeah?
Yeah, Finland. Yeah.
So growing up being of a mixed race family, how was it? And how was balancing your Somali Nimo and your Finnish Nimo? That makes sense.
It was alright, man. It's just nah, it was cool because I was around a lot of Somali people, like my uncles, aunties, and that, and my cousins. I wasn't really around much Finnish people other than my mum and then my uncle, but it's cool, really. You know, the Somalis obviously showing me love all the time. You know, Somali gang, you get me? You know, know what time it is. So yeah, it was alright, man. Well, to be honest, the only problem I had was they'll be like, "Oh yeah, do you know how to speak Somali?" Then I'll just try to pretend to know, and then they catch me slipping because obviously I don't know how to say certain words. They'll be like, "Hey, nah, you can't speak Somali," and then obviously they say, "Yeah, that's embarrassing and stuff." Other than that, everything else is cool.
Fantastic. So we're gonna ask you some Somali questions. Hey! Okay, so how do you say hi in Somali?
What hello?
What hello?
No, I don't know.
No problem. We'll take that.
Assalamu alaikum. That's cool.
Can you name 5 dishes in Somali other than basta and bris?
Can I say sambus? Sambus, malwa, anjero. Obviously got bispas on the beris and that mousse.
So wait, bispas and bispas
No bispas, I'm half white, so I can't handle the bispas.
extra mayo.
Yeah.
Extra mayo.
What else? I know a lot of it's when the mic's on my mouth, obviously, it makes you get nervous and that, but there's Hilib. What else can I say? There's I don't know what I'll say right now.
Okay, I have another question for you, right? You're chilling at a Somali setting. You have an auntie. So you have an auntie, right? Her husband is chilling out with a random woman, and they're sitting together in a restaurant. What do? Do you A, take a picture, or B, go over?
I put on my Erdo mode on, yeah, and I'll be like, what is he doing? Yeah. And then obviously my phone's gonna be in my thing like stuck like that, so I'll pull it out.
Okay. You take the
and
picture.
then call everyone in Somalia. Like, Warrior, have you seen what's his name?
Abdi Hafid.
Have you seen what Abdi Hafid doing? Look, he is with Stephanie when he's meant to be with. I don't know.
So you basically,
Amal.
so you basically blow up his spot and you'd confront him.
Yeah, but I don't know. That's if I'm Somali.
So what do you think about like second wives?
What like? I obviously it depends, but like I think if you like, there's a lot of people they'll be out there, they'll get married to someone knowing they'll want to get married to another person, but like I don't think that's the way, like, because some people they want like a what's it called? They want one wife in England, one wife in Somalia, one in Italy, and that. Like I don't know, it's a bit deep. Can I say deep? It's a bit deep on the lady, because like obviously you sold her, you gassed her up, you married her, and then eventually you just move on to another one. Yeah, I don't agree with it, because I think, like, I don't know, there's meant to be only one, you get me? That one wifey, you get me? One wifey. Yeah, then.
So ladies, General Nasir is a single and ready to mingle. And as you can see, he's only committed to one lady, and she could be out there. What do you want to say to her?
You're loyal, I appreciate that.
Yeah. All right, so what kind of qualities are you looking for in a wife?
I don't know, it's just got to be a wifey material, you get me?
Okay.
It's just got to be cool, have banter. Banter.
She has to be lighthearted, have some comedy, you know?
Yeah, she's just got to be cool, like, you just got to get along well, and, you know, them ones, like...
Okay. So there's not a specific shade, color girl that you want, so you're not like team light skin, team dark skin, you're not looking for a mixed girl or nothing like that?
I ain't got no type.
He ain't got no type, that's right, okay.
Obviously, I don't know, anyone really, because my mum's white, my dad's black, so it's got nothing to do with skin color. So
all races apply. Abdi Bieber gonna make an appearance again?
Of course, yeah, obviously. It depends, but if there's another Justin Bieber banger, obviously it'll be Abdi Bieber with the Abdidas. What do you know about Abdidas? Not Adidas, it's four stripes instead of 3. Call it Abdidas. Big up Abdidas, yeah.
So rumor has it that you're joining the army in Finland. Like, talk us through it.
Yeah, because obviously I'm a Finnish citizen, so I have to do my national service for 6 months. That's where I'm going. I'm gonna become a real general. You get me?
What do you expect to happen?
It's gonna be intense, of course. I'm gonna learn how to use.
Kill people. Sorry.
Nah, not kill people. I'm not killing people. Why is trying to make people scared of me? Nah, it's because I'm a Finnish citizen. Every Finnish citizen, they have to do it. They used to do it here as well many years ago, but in Finland, because there's not many people. So
That's true. I have a friend who's Israeli, and he has to go back to Israel to do his.
yeah, it's just, it's literally training. They just train every male, not females. Females got lucky.
Oh, whoa! So they don't allow the women to trail.
Gender equality, no.
There's no gender equality in it, so they only train the men's and they don't train the women.
Only the man them.
Real?
Sad times.
Why do you think that is?
Because I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't want to say something bad.
But that's not fair, though. Do you agree that's not fair that women should have the right to serve their country?
They can do it if they want to, but they're not forced to do it. Men are forced.
It's not compulsory.
I think it's just because, I don't know, ladies, they've got things to do. I don't know, really. I don't know, to be honest, but I don't want to annoy the female watchers, so I'm not going to say anything bad, yeah?
No problem. Gentlemen, sir, thank you so much. My brothers, love and light. Thank you. Bye. How do you say hi in Somali?
Hello. I've never said hi. I will say Assalamu alaikum.
You will say salam alaikum. All right, can you name 5 dishes in Somali other than Boston Breeze?
مقمد, سقار, Angela Marawah, and
Oh, Anjera Marwah, you can say it's one.
okay, Sabayad, and I don't eat Somali dishes like that. Did I say Suqar, yeah?
I have another question for you. All right? Okay, this is a hypothetical question. You're sitting in a maqayad, and one of your aunties or husband walks in with another lady, and they are not friends. They're just chilling there. What do you do? Do you A, take a picture and send it to your habarir, or do you B, confront the situation?
I confront the situation.
Fantastic. What do you do?
I just ask him, who's this woman, and why is she with you at this moment in time? In a polite way, obviously, not like bila ihtaram. Obviously, you ask them like, yo, what's going on here?
Because it could be anything.
Could be business partner, it could be, I don't know, I don't want to. I'll just go up, say, Assalamu alaikum, how are you doing? Or up to you, whatever.
And he says to you, this is your habarir ta labad. What do you say?
I'll just say, okay, Assalamu alaikum. And then I'll go to my auntie and say, oh yeah, I'll run into your husband with my auntie.
So you'd snitch?
So, no, of course, but
Low key.
in like a nice way, because my family's my family, that's my blood. So
You ride or die for your family?
of course.
That's it, my nigga. Thank you so much. Bah!
Can I get a picture with Mikhail?
Of course you
Somehow?
can.
community kasta oo maaragtay wadankan London joogta ayaga ayaa maaragtay wax wada qabsada ayaga ayaa maaragtay waxiin ku faana marka anaga gabdhaheena Soomaaliyeed marka waxaan uga baahanaa dhaqan ayaan leenahay waliba dhaqan soo jireen oo fiican aan leenahay anaga muslimna waa nahay marka waxaan u baahanahay gabdhihii meel kasta tagayaan had maaragtay in ay xirtaan wax ayaga maaragtay culture u ah dhaqan u ah ay maaragtay isheeg ku faanaan ay proud ku ahaadaan waxay yihiin maaragtay ku faraxsanaadaan qurxan oo markay meesha soo istaagto xataa xoogaa maaragtay ka muuqaal qurux badan dirci korkeedan oo asturan yahay waxa dhici karta inuu ka dharkan duruucda inay for example xoogaa ay isheeg jirki part of la arkay jirka si true way gabdhaha waxaan u rajaynayaa aniga xataa shakhsiyan waa inaan ka qayb qaataan rabaa maadaama aan dukaan leeyahay dukaankii wuxuu ku yaalaa Shafar Bush Oxbridge Road magaciisuna waa Dubai Garment waa uga faa'iideysanayaa in maxaan ku raadayay ay sheegan advertisementiyana marka insha Allah waxaan idin ka rajaynayaa anigana waxaan sameey doonaa cabuuro ku habboon maartay meelaha xafladaha ku wanaagsan ayaan soo sameey doonaa jirkana aan looga jeedin jirkina marna si true inuu ahaada maahan marna inuu jirki uu sawiro maaha oo gabadha wada sawiranta ayada wax fiican ma aha marka insha Allah dhinacaas annagana maadaan dukaan leenahay inaan ka dadaalno gabar kasto walaasheeyo Soomaaliyo business London kule naftirkeed inay arintaas ay ka dadaasho way gabar kasto aniga 4 gabdhood aan leeyahay 4 gabdhood ma rabo inay dirac maartay ka muuqdo jirkooda ay banaanka ku aadaan way fiicantaa wax asturan marka warkaasi aan idinku badin waxaan idin leeyahay dadaala marka hadlaysaana waxaan Soomaalida saan maxay u yeelan ma annaga Soomaali hadaan nahay waxaan maaragtay aan leenahay ya part of it ata Soomaalida laakiin marka tada Soomaaliyaasha saanayal you are not part of a Somali يا وفهمتي سما مركا إن شاء الله بإذن الله الكريم دذلك أودين وذا اللهنا إذن لقرب قالوا